What's up guys, it's me Ahmed Plays, and today we are going to be doing a Pokemon trading card game unboxing. And this isn't just the first ever unboxing on my channel. This is my first ever opening any Pokemon packs. So let's get to it. So first we have to open it. 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Here is the pack. I like this character thing going on here. Astral, Radiance, 10 additional game cards, Sword and Shield, Pokemon, barcode, story, got the app, everything. Okay, let's open it. 3, 2, 1, bang. There it is. Oh yeah, that's something else. Okay, what should we do about this one? I've seen on YouTube how they used to do it. They used to do like 1, 2, 3, 4 for here. Then this. So, okay. See our first. Energy, Leaf Energy, Cricket Tune, and please, I do not know how to say these names. Unidentified Fossil, Bronzong. Plus, guys, keep in mind I do not know any of like the profits of this, or like the money that's worth. That's a Bronzong. Porcina, Swinub, it's cute actually. Quillfish, Pet Il, Nickit, a Cranine. Wait, that actually looks quite cool. What? I know these rainbow cards are worth so much. Hussein Desadio, a V-Star. Oh, that's sick. It's even a rainbow. Oh, Starfruit, Fortune, Somersault Feathers. Oh, this is cool. This is all of our cards. These are that. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe and follow me on TikTok. And yeah, that's end of the unboxing. Probably we'll do some more after. So yep, thank you, bye.